Welcome to this video. We will be discussing India's size and location. I hope you are doing well and you have a smile on your face. So, India lies entirely on the northern hemisphere. The latitudinal range is between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. The longitudinal range is between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, which lies at 23 degrees and 30 minutes north, almost divides the country into two parts. The atlas can be used while having this session. The Lakshadweep Islands is located in the Arabian Sea, which is in the southwest, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal, which is in the southeast. The area of India is at 3.28 million kilometer squares, which is about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It is the seventh largest country. The land boundary is at 15,200 kilometers, and the coastal boundary, including that of Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep, is at 7,516.6 kilometers. The northwest, north, and northeast are covered by the Young Mountains. And it tapers at the south end, where we find Arabian Sea in the southwest and Bay of Bengal in the southeast. The east to west extent looks shorter than the north to south extent, even though the longitudinal and latitudinal extent is about 30 degrees. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a 2 hours time lag. 82 degrees and 30 minutes east is the standard meridian of India, which is located at Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh. And the Suez Canal was formed in 1869, which significantly reduced the difference between the distance between India and Europe. This was a very quick understanding of India and its location. We will be doing one more session on it and then we'll cover up with the quiz. Until then, please take care and smile.